Carla here, and today I'm here to talk to you about how to save attachments to Google Drive from Gmail for the Billerica Educator Evaluation System. So the first step in this process is to log into Gmail. Now you can either do that by going to mail.google.com or visiting the waffle icon from any Google app and clicking on Mail. All right. Next, you want to find the email with the attachments, and you know that it has an attachment because it has a little paperclip over here on the side. You're going to open the email, scroll down to where the attachments are located. Now, if you hover your mouse over the attachments, you'll notice that it gives you some options. The down arrow stands for download, so you can download it directly to your computer and save it to your desktop or somewhere folder on your computer itself. You can click Save to Drive, and that will save it to your Google Drive. Or in this case, because this document is an Excel document, and it would work for Word or any editable document, you'll get Edit with Google, and then it will give you the apps. In this case, it's Google Sheets. This one's a PDF. You notice I do not get the edit option. I have download or drive. All right, now to save it to Google Drive, you're going to click on the icon that says Save to Drive. Notice that it's white. You get this little notification that says Added to my drive, and then you're going to click on Organize. This will allow you to put it directly into your folder that you've created. So click the folder, then click Move here. And now that item is saved to your evaluation folder. Now let's say you want to save everything in one shot to all the attachments to that folder and drive. If you'll notice up here on the right-hand side of the attachments, you've got your download option again, and then you've got your save all to drive. So I'm going to click that. Notice again that you get added to my drive and that organized link. There you go. Click the folder, click Move here, and now they're all added to the folder all at the same time. So now let's say you want to open the attachment that you just saved to Google Drive. Once again, you can hover on the item, and notice now that that icon is colored because it is in Google Drive. If it was white, it would not be in Google Drive. So I'm going to click on that, and that little folder will pop up. That's the folder I saved it to. Click on the up arrow on the right-hand side, and it will open that folder, and I can see where it's located. Taking a minute. There we go. There's what I saved. Now, let's say you want to move it to a different folder. All you have to do is click Move this item, click on My Drive, and then choose what other folder you'd like to put it into. And now that folder that item has been moved. All right, that's it. Thanks, everyone. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me or any of the other Google evaluation helpers.